We're on a hill.
Yes.
How's that make you feel?
Nervous.
Go on then, what's making you feel nervous?
In case I roll back.
So, what causes the rollback on a hill? Do you know?
No.
When you pull off, on a flat, if you've not got that left foot high enough, you don't move, do you?
No.
You just kind of sit there. But on a hill, you're going to roll backwards if you haven't got that left foot high enough, so the clutch needs to go higher. So, and you're going to need more power. Like all of a sudden, there's your mum and dad sat in the back watching because the extra weight, the car's suddenly gained extra weight, hasn't it?
Yeah.
So you need to take that into account. So you say to yourself, a bit more power, a bit more clutch, which means lift your left foot up to the point where you can feel a little more pull. Obviously look round and signal if you need to release your handbrake.
Yeah.
And if you release your handbrake and it rolls backwards,
You need more both.
more left foot.
Yeah.
So left foot was a little bit higher. If you release your handbrake and it's just sat there on a hill, not going forwards and backwards,
Need more power.
you need more left foot. You're obsessed with power, aren't you? Keep the power on, but the left foot needs to go a little bit higher. And we're only talking pound coin thickness, that's all.
Yeah.
Should we try it?
Yeah.
Shall we get on? Into gear. And for the power, you want about 1,500 to 2,000 revs. It's quite a steep hill.
Right.
And then lift that left foot towards where you feel a little pull. Can you feel it?
Yeah.
Have a look round, we're clear. Hold that left foot still, don't go too high. If you go too high, it's going to stall, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hold it, look round again, left foot off. Sorry, handbrake off. It's moving forward nicely. And then we're going to pull up just past this driveway where them bushes is. Not on the driveway, just past the driveway. So you just lower the clutch down. It'll stop pretty quick because of the hill. That's it, brake on. And handbrake higher, as you realise. So that's it. So if it rolls, handbrake a bit more, isn't it? So that was fine, wasn't it? So we just need to do it again now.
Yeah.
It's just getting used to it. But if you go too high on the left foot, it's just going to try and pull off or stall. And if you ever misjudge it and you can't lift the left foot quick enough because you're worried about the guy behind you, just put your foot on the brake.
Yeah.
Start again. So power on and find your bite. Find that left foot, pull it. We there?
Yeah.
Hold it and look round. Are we happy?
Yeah.
And brake off. And if you want to go faster, you just do what you normally do with your pedals. Get past that car and do it again.
Yeah.
Try to go round. Do you see it slow down pretty quick then on the hill? So what you want to do is build a bit more momentum up before you change second gear. Because as soon as you come off that gas, it slows right down like someone's pulling you backwards.
Yeah. We'll stop here.
We'll stop by that fence on the left and we'll do it again. It's going steeper, isn't it? It's good experience for you because it's, people worry about hill starts. If you understand what to do with your feet, you'll be good at it. See it sliding?
Yeah.
On, just lift it up. That's it. You can hear it slipping the handbrake. It's because it's quite a steep hill. It's, I mean, I don't know how steep it is, but it looks steep from where we are.
It does look steep.
Quite daunting.
Yes.
So it's going to need a bit more power, because it's steeper than there's just up there, and a bit more bite with the left foot a bit higher.
Yeah.
That's what I mean by that. So we're back into gear again and try again. So just keep the power on. Hold the bike when you feel it. Hold it, look round. If we clear and brake off. And press the button in. That's it. That's it, you're doing fine. You're doing fine. Did you feel it slow down pretty quick then?
Yeah.
So what are you going to do next time?
Slowly come off it.
Build it up,
Yeah.
speed more before you change the gear. And then we're going to pull over again. So because you're used to pulling off and changing gear as soon as you've got your speed up, haven't you?
Yeah.
But because you're on a steep hill, that's putting neutral. Because you're on a steep hill, you need to go past that point because as soon as you come off that gas, it's going to slow down pretty quick. So you need to go past the point where you normally change the gear. So it's going to rev a little bit, and then you do your gear change pretty quick because by the time you've done it and you've got the clutch off, you've lost some speed, but it's not going as slow as it was because if it gets any slower, it's going to stall, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's do it again. So you're going to move off and then build a bit of speed up and then change the gear. But build up speed up a bit more than normal.
Yeah.
So a bit of power, find the bite, have a look round. And then remember, build some speed up, build some speed up, build it up, build it up, build it up, build it up. And now change the gear. See?
Yeah.
That's what you got to do. Well done. So at top of the hill there's a junction.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to turn right at the junction. It's a bit of a blind junction. So what should we do?
Slow down.
And you can't see, so what are you going to do?
Beep.
Stop.
Oh.
Stop at the line. You can't see. So what's what I mean by blind? You can't see what's coming. So get to the white line. It's not as steep as the hill, but it's still a bit of an hill. Get to that white line on the right. We're going to go right, and you're going to stop there, aren't you? Clutch it. So that's the blind bit, isn't it?
Yeah.
So handbrake first, otherwise you roll back. First gear. Get yourself ready. That's the clear side. So as you're pulling out, check to the danger side. Check, lean forward, check. That's it. Well done. That's what I meant by blind. You can't see what's coming.
Yeah.
And then we'll pull over just past them bins up there. On the left. Or just behind the bin here, yeah. So check your mirrors. People around you signal, wouldn't you? So are we happy now with the hill starts?
Yeah.
So if you like that quick video on Kaylea with the hill starts, then put a comment below and we'll see what we're doing next time. Take care everybody, and if you want to watch another video with Kaylea, I'll put a video below from last week when we was doing forward bait pack, wasn't it? Forward bait pack. Take care, see you next week. Take care.
See ya.